can download our free GoHighLevel template for your agency with pre-built high-converting landing pages, CRMs, and automations. All you have to do is sign up with our 14-day free trial link if you're a new GoHighLevel user, or upgrade to GoHighLevel Pro with our links below. Once you do that, you can send us an email with a subject line free template. This is a limited offer and we will put a price on this soon. So let's get right into the video. Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up AI phone caller. Now I will also show you how to set it up with Air AI. So before we get started, obviously you will need access to GoHighLevel, so make sure to check out our 30-day free trial link down below if you want to try GoHighLevel for 30 days for free. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to go to our sub account, and inside our sub account we have automation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the automation and start from scratch. Now we're going to name this Air API. So this is the first thing that we're going to do it. Obviously in the second tab, make sure you're logged in into your Air AI. If you're not, make sure to check it out. It's a really awesome program, or AI phone caller. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to connect Air AI with GoHighLevel so that you can do all the calls through GoHighLevel. It's really awesome. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to add a trigger. A trigger can be pretty much anything, right? So for example, for me, it's going to be a contact tag. So whenever there is a contact tag added, and that tag is, for example, right here, let me just add test 1. So whenever I add test 1 to a contact, it will trigger a webhook. Now I will show you here what does this mean. We go to webhook, custom webhook, and as you can see here, we have a couple of things we need to take into consideration. So the first thing is the method. The method needs to be post. The URL, I will link this URL down below, but basically the URL needs to be this right here. So just go and copy this and paste it right here. It's really simple. Also, as you can see, here is the spacing, so make sure to delete that as well. Now this is just a link that is universal. It will work with anyone. So if you're watching this, it can work for you as well. So just make sure to copy that. The second thing that we're going to do is the authorization. The authorization will be a bearer token. Now, once we have this, we'll need a bearer token, which you can get if you go and log in into your Air. You can go to your integrations here, and you need to go to client API, and just make sure to put GHL or whatever, it can be named whatever. Click generate and copy this. Now once you copy this, you just basically go here, you paste it here, and that's pretty much it, for this particular row. Now as you can see here, we have this code. I'll actually copy the code that I have right here, which is the code that I have right here. So I'll just paste this code right here. I'll put this in the description as well. This is not, for some reason, I don't know why it doesn't work, but as you can see right here, this is very important. So let's say you have, okay, let's just go back. Let's say you have this, right? This will be basically fetched from your GHL. So contact ID, contact name, contact email, contact phone. You can add whatever you want here. It can be contact address. If you want address as well to be in here, you can do that as well. But what we want is we also want to add a prompt, which is going to look like this, right? And we're just going to do it like this. We're going to delete this because this is actually, for the sake of this tutorial, we need to copy URL of agent in Air AI. So what we're going to do is we're basically going to go into Air and go to you should actually go to your profile, or no, go to create. And as you can see here, you have AI phone agents. So you need to go and click on one that you're going to use, obviously. So as you can see, I have here one AI phone agent is programmed. So what I can do is I can take these numbers here, I can copy this, and I can just paste it right here. So I'll just paste it right here. So as you can see, this is my air ID. So once we have this, we can obviously save the action. I can see that the header right here, I'm not sure what goes here, but it should be, I think that should be it. But if we just go here and if we save the action, or actually, I can just save it like this, yeah. So once we save this, we just hit save. We can also publish this. So if you publish this, if we save, whenever we, whenever the contact tag is added as test1, it will trigger this call. So how this would work is, let's just go back, let's confirm this. If we go to opportunities, or if I go to contacts, and if I add a contact right here, for example, John Smith, if I save this, and if I go back to contacts, right here, let's refresh it. I will show you basically what triggers this, so you will know, how to initiate the trigger. So as you can see, I can go also here and I can just add this to automation if I want, right? I can go OK, proceed, and I can basically go to the workflow that I created. However, I can just go and click on John Smith, and I can add a tag, which is going to be test1. So whenever I add a test1 tag, it will start calling John. So in this case, you can put here follow-up, you can do follow-up calls, or just the first initial call to book a meeting. So that's pretty much what you can do. So there's a lot of things you can do with it, but this is just like a very simple overview of how to set it up. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and also make sure to check out our 30-day free trial link down below for GoHighLevel if you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself, sorry. But yeah, I just started rambling, so yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching.